Hi you guys, and welcome back to the cave. I have a small video for you today regarding some child safety products in IKEA, and the sign you're watching is in Hebrew, but I will translate. It's really simple. In all countries these are the exact same products. This is just the Hebrew translation. Okay, so this is like a child safety department in IKEA. We are in IKEA right now. Okay, so I would like to show you some very cool and very cheap safety products of IKEA, which I've purchased all of the 6 types they have here. Okay, so these are really reliable, easy to use, simple and cheap safety products for children. I would recommend everyone with small children to have this type of products, okay, to help them prevent being injured, okay, indoors. Okay, so let's begin really quickly. First product is a door stopper. Okay, this is really important to keep the door from shutting on the child's hands. Okay, really simple to use. Just place it, plug some parts, and just you push this thing to the floor and you place the door right here in the middle. Okay, really cool product. Okay, the other one is I call it the big drawer lock, because they have this one is for big drawers and closets, and they have this one which is for relatively smaller drawers, okay, like kitchen small drawers. Okay, so the lock for the big drawers is over here. You have several units inside. This is really effective. You have a really smart lock. To unlock it, you just need to pull these parts to the opposite direction, what the kids are finding troublesome to do, and this will open the lock. Okay, so this is really cool, simple, smart solution from IKEA to prevent injury or to avoid to block the possibility for the child to get inside, big drawers, or to take dangerous things from big drawers. Okay, this is really, really effective. The third product, as I mentioned, is the same idea, but for smaller drawers. Okay, let me just find this product here. Okay, seems like they're out of stock for this product, but you can see here in the example, this is really simple to do. You put some screws in the drawer and they get locked with this part. Okay, so the child cannot open the small drawer unless you, like in the picture, you put your finger on the far side of the locker, and you just push it inside and this unlocks the device. So you can open the drawer, but obviously child cannot do that. Okay, at least in first stages. Okay, so this is the third product for the smaller drawers. Really great product. And the next product is an electricity socket plugger. Okay, so the goal here is obvious. You just plug it into your electricity socket in order to prevent the child from getting electrified. Okay, this is really could save life, because children put some dangerous things inside and they can get electrified. So this is a must-have if you have a lower electricity socket which you're afraid your child could touch and get harmed. Okay, the fifth product is like a table protector. Okay, this should protect your child from getting injured from sharp edges of the table. Okay, really smart, simple. You just glue it with a double-sided glue, light adhesive. Okay, just put it on the corners of the table, and this will prevent injury from the kid bumping his head in the sharp corners of the table. This is really great product. I really recommend. I have this product. Okay, the last and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, sixth, the last and sixth product, which is not on the show here on the example show, but it's here on the stock. It's also a lock, additional lock, but in this case not for doors or drawers, but for windows. Okay, this is essentially a lock for windows. Okay, so this thing should avoid your child from getting trapped in the window, opening the window when you don't want them to, or just slamming the windows on their hands. Okay, so they cannot escape, they cannot slam the windows on their hand. This is also really a great product for large windows. Okay, well guys, that was all. Quick overview over IKEA's best child safety products. All of these products are approximately $10 max or even less. Okay, you guys, that was all. So be safe. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button or leave a comment. Thank you guys and have a great week from the cave.